Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get sound on Reddit app. So when you open up your Reddit app, you will see some of the videos. Now if you want to play the sound, you will see a speaker icon at the bottom right of the video. You need to click on it and now the sound will start playing. But for some people this option also doesn't work. So some videos have no sound in their video. So that's not your fault. But some videos might have sound and you aren't able to listen to it. For that you need to open up your browser and then go to reddit.com and then log into your account, and then here you need to click on the three lines and then click on settings. From here you need to click on account settings, and here you need to click on feed settings on the top menu, and from here you need to turn on this option, that is adult content. So after enabling this option, hopefully you will be able to listen to sound on Reddit. So these are the two options by which you can get sound on your Reddit app. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.